Where Did the Sun Go? By Jennifer Walls. When the sun was warm, someone loved me when I was little. I remember I loved someone. When the sun was bright, someone loved me back. When the sun was shining, I loved myself. Somehow I looked up and I was all alone. My world seemed too big and I too small. Now the things I used to love don't seem to matter anymore. The warm feelings I used to have left. It seemed every day was a sad day, even when my friends and family were happy. It rained every day, yet I was the only one who knew it. The rain got louder, heavier. It seemed that it was never going to end. All of a sudden, I was cold. I did not know what to do. It was just me. Indeed, the sun was shining, but my eyes could not see it. Or maybe I did not want to. I felt angry, sad, and hurt, but I could not think of a good reason why. My mother noticed I was not my usual self. She asked me how she could help. I thought about what my mother said before I drifted off to sleep. She said feeling sad for a long time is an illness that adults and kids can have it. My mom said a doctor could also help me. My doctor told me a few things that I could do to help myself feel better, and that there are medicines that could help me feel better even faster if needed. My doctor said I should share my feelings with a friend. I did, and my friend told me that when they sometimes feel sad, they do something that is fun to help them feel better. As I slept, I dreamed that I was running free and happy in a bright, beautiful forest. I decided to take small steps to find my son again. I spent more time with people and things that cared about me. I spent time reading stories about other kids who worked through their feelings. I was so happy I was brave and talked to someone about my feelings. Slowly, things started to brighten and become new again. I learned that everyone needs help sometimes, and that having bad feelings does not mean I am a bad person. Handling my feelings in a good way matters most. Now the sun is bright, warm, and slowly shining again.